Oh, Gloria. I love you, but we cannot be together.
Why, Pierre?
I have also been seeing your sister's daughter's friend's second cousin's ex-gardener's dog's vet's former roommate's doctor.
Oh my gosh. But I am no beta. I have also been cheating on you with your evil French twin clone from outer space who actually survived your 27 attempts to kill him.
No. He will try to kill and get control of my business that I inherited after I killed my best friend and got away with the murder because I was secretly dating the judge.
What will we do? I still love you.
But alas, it cannot be. I'm also your brother.
Now we have no idea what to do with our lives. Aside from creating multiple family strifes in which we will continue to backstab each other viciously. Do you know why we do that?
Do we do it because the writer hopes it will distract the viewers from the fact that this is a crude rip-off, and we won't be sued by the monkeys who write Young and the Restless?
Bingo.